Okay, I'm a big advocate for therapy. I've gone to therapy a few times and it's great. But if you don't have time or money for now, check out ChatGPT. Okay, put in like a journal entry or something that's on your mind and then put get advice. It, wow. I just asked advice from ChatGPT and it gave the best, most sound advice, very sympathetic to your feelings also. Naiyak ako, guys. Naiyak ako with ChatGPT's advice. So just put in whatever your advice, like, I feel like this because this happened, blah, 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 blah. Is this feeling valid or can I get advice on this problem? Girl, ChatGPT got you.